Instructions. Flip over halfway through cooking. The chicken nugget. What hobby does your foster mom have? She likes mathematics meme. What's the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way down? Infinity. Your foster parents are dead. Proof by contradiction. Proof by induction. Believing the golden ratio occurrence in nature and art is just misinterpreting coincidences. Discovering it's real. Mathematicians coming up with imaginary numbers instead of admitting they were wrong. When you're a dad with a PhD in math and your kid needs help with partial fractions. Disprove. Please, please, please don't prove I'm right. A physicist. The limit is the value something is approaching as it gets nearer to a specific point. A mathematician. Well, yes, but actually no. People say it's broken, but for me it's normal. If you increase a quarter by a third, you get a third. That feels weird, but I'll allow it. You who want to learn something new from mathematics. Wikipedia. A scary formula that you don't understand. Painter setup. Carpenter setup. IT setup. Mathematician setup. Calculator is optional. Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. Topologists. They're the same picture. What I wanted. What I received. 8 hours of topology. 30 seconds of analysis. 11 p.m. Just one more YouTube video, then I'll go to sleep. 3 a.m. An entire page of work. The answer is 0. 5 should be considered an even number. It should be like a y in vowels, you know? And sometimes 5. That was beautiful. Proof by contraposition be like. Since the road to hell is paved with good intentions, so road to heaven must be paved with bad intentions. Teacher. Gives kids an impossibly hard calculation as punishment. Gauss. Finishes in 5 minutes. Teacher. Therapist. Gaussian Gauss isn't real. Gaussian Gauss. Tree. 1. Tree. 2. Tree. 3. Average plus C-fan. Average multiply by A enjoyer. Discovering Santa isn't real. Discovering the golden ratio occurrence in nature and art is just misinterpreting coincidences. Mathematicians, then. I invented group theory, which created a whole new framework for thinking about mathematics and provided solutions to a large class of difficult problems. Mathematicians now. I proved a special case of the Herbert-Baird conjecture on Wojcik ideals of rank 11. There are only 2 people in the world who can understand my work. Professor. I also put an advanced Fourier system on the main hallway chalkboard. The problem on the hallway chalkboard. 2 people walk into a basement. 3 people come out. How is that possible? Mathematicians. The third person is a negative individual. If one more person enters the basement now, it will be empty again. POV. You are the last available pigeonhole. Student. When am I ever going to use calculus? Baby bottle designer. Me returning to my pineapple to see that it has been turned into 2 pineapples using the Banach-Tarski paradox. Never ask a woman her age. A man, his salary. A mathematician, to prove something. When the function is analytic and the integral is over a closed curve. Remember, all number bases would refer to themselves as base 10. Until we meet again. Identity theft is not something to joke about. Cameraman never dies. Survivorship bias. I don't like statistics. I don't like calculus. I don't like linear algebra. You better watch your mouth. Spending the night in latex. Trick or treaters. Mathematicians. What others see. What I see. The 4 horsemen of hard-to-draw math symbols. Me learning that a 39-digit prime was found by hand calculations in 1876. When I'm in a finding new formulae while sleeping competition and my opponent is Ramanujan. A single negative sign I forgot about. Me about to finish a long calculus problem. My aunt's wedding. Complex numbers in Desmos inauguration day. Thesis examiner. Can you tell me the real-world applications of your work? Math PhD students. No. Math in kindergarten. Math is fun and you can do it. Math in middle school. Math in undergrad. Math in grad school. Math is fun and you can do it. The probability that a random point in a square does not lie on a diagonal is 99.999%. Yes, it's less than 100%. No, 99.999% equals 100%. But that would mean it's impossible to randomly pick a point on a diagonal. Yes, using regression lines to extrapolate data points. Using Lagrange interpolation polynomials.